Hello, this is the virtual viewing for 21 Nightingale. Access via communal front door. Property is located on the ground floor. Wooden door on entry. Into the hallway. Bathroom on the left, mainly tiled. The property is due to be cleaned shortly by professional cleaners, mainly paying attention to the grout around the bathroom, the bath taps. There is an electric shower, extractor fan to the wall, WC, storage cupboards over the toilet, heater to the wall. That's the back of the entry door. Door into storage with hot water tank and general equipment. The bedroom. Walls are magnolia painted, they're in good condition. The carpets are not new, but they're clean. It's a 4-foot divan bed with storage drawer underneath. Mattress was new 6 months ago. Mirror to the wall. It's all electric heating and it is double glazed windows. That's inside the left-hand wardrobe. And that's inside the right-hand wardrobe, both single wardrobes. Door into the living room. All of the furniture that you see does come with the property. The carpets do have some marks and there is a seam visible. The landlord is amenable to replacing these. I think it needs to be done quite quickly. Armchair, a storage cupboard, prints to wall. Paintwork is in good condition with occasional wear marks noted. Double glazed window overlooking private car park. And then this aspect is the communal gardens. The development is hugely quiet. Electric heater to wall there, and electric heater to wall there. Table and chairs, box of items to be removed if they're not wanted. Kitchen area, so that there's no door to separate it. There's a window overlooking the car park again. There's a small freezer with fridge. Sink, microwave. There are general kitchen utensils. Toaster. A washer dryer. Electric oven, that's due to be cleaned at the bottom as well. Electric hob, there is no gas in the block. Splashback and extractor. Slipping noted to floor. End of tour.